sheer number of use cases that are coming forth in this sub-ML space is quite surprising. For every machine learning use case, we find anywhere from 5 to 10 of these sub-machine learning use cases. What does that tell us about the changing organizational appetite for something like this?
Before I address the question about appetite, in fact, I'd love your thoughts. There is something to be said about that undefined space between what we consider BI and where other data science initiatives, including machine learning, pick up, especially as it concerns our own space of data preparation. There was the old world of being able to do ETL and do it fairly robustly to be able to address a bunch of BI type of questions, lots of dashboards being powered by that. And then there was this other bit of a beast that was coming around the corner, which is feature engineering for machine learning. What we are finding in all of these cases where sub-ML is starting to take traction is that same kind of nimble data preparation, which is much more akin to feature engineering than it is to ETL, is already addressing so many use cases at these organizations. But these use cases aren't typically machine learning ones. As a consequence, with each use case that is being addressed at each of these customers, their minds are opening up about what they can do with their existing skill sets, existing people, existing data. That does not involve getting all the way into the machine learning world, because that comes with its own set of costs, including this entire beast of MLOps as well. So I think that the proliferating rate of use cases when people see one sub-ML use case working is just a signal for what's about to come down the line for us.
No, absolutely. Just to add to that, what I have also observed is previously jobs that were not data-driven are turning into data-driven jobs. I mean, earlier probably if you were a HR manager allocating people, you never thought about going beyond the basic reports. Now, when you start looking at building high-performance teams and making these decisions continuously, suddenly their problem looks a lot more like machine learning than like traditional Excel or even BI reporting. So concurrently, along with that opening of the minds, what I'm also seeing is a shift in the job description itself, what you need to do. And every job is becoming a data job at some level. And their needs are going well beyond what is happening in the organization now and the trends for the past whatever time. The questions are a lot more complex.